guys, so today I've got Fright Crates box for May. This one actually arrived really late. It arrived late for everyone. They had like a problem and stuff, but they kept everyone really updated, so that was good. And I will show you what's inside. I apologise if you hear stuff from outside. The weather is insanely hot today and I literally can't bring myself to shut the window because I think I might pass out, so ignore any outside noise. But this box was the I Love 90s Part 2 box, and the themes were Wishmaster, Candyman, Hannibal, New Nightmare and The Faculty. Next month is I Love Slashers, and that one is Jason Lives, My Bloody Valentine, Nightmare 3, Chucky and The Collector, so that's pretty cool. I've also bought that one, obviously. So let's get into it and show you what we've got. So the first thing is our t-shirt. You always get a t-shirt, and their t-shirts are pretty cool usually as well. So this one is the Candyman t-shirt. So it says Sweets to the Sweet, and then it's got Tony Todd on there. And that is what it looks like. He's actually at For the Love of Horror in Manchester in October, which I'm going to, so maybe I'll wear this. I'm not sure. I might not, I don't know, but it's pretty cool. Then the next thing we have is a koozie. We also got one of these in one of the makeup boxes I did recently, and I'm not sure if this is a theme off something, but it says it puts the can in the koozie with this picture. I don't know what this is off. If it's from a film, please let me know, because I don't really watch loads of films, I'm not gonna lie. But just like a little can holder, it's supposed to keep your drink cool and like not get condensation on your hands and stuff. So there is that. Then next we have our pin. You always get a pin as well, and this one is the Faculty Coach. Looks like this. I used to absolutely love The Faculty when I was younger. It was like one of the first kind of horror movies that I watched. So that's cool. It's got two pins so that it doesn't spin around, and obviously it's an exclusive one. I think they're always exclusive ones for Fright Crate, but there is that. Then we get to our resin items. There is 3 resin things this month. First one is this, which is a Demon Freddy magnet from New Nightmare. I personally have never seen New Nightmare, but this is pretty cool though. So it's just like a little fridge magnet. It's very detailed. And generally, I mean, if you hadn't watched New Nightmare, this just kind of looks like a devil demon kind of thing, so that's cool. And then the next thing we have is Hannibal's Mind pen holder. A little weird, I think, personally, and it's not painted amazingly, but it's still pretty cool. So this is what he looks like. I think the eyes are kind of creepy. Like I said, the painting is a little kind of off in places, but it's fine, I don't mind. And it says it's a pen holder. I'm not really sure how many pens you could fit in there because it's not massive, but you could use that for loads of things really. You could use it as a little plant pot and grow like a cactus out of his head. That would be cool. In fact, I have a cactus. I feel like we need to do this. Let me put this little cactus in his head. 1 minute. Ow. Oh no, it doesn't fit. Oh no. I definitely need to repot this cactus into his head. That would be cool. But yeah, there is that anyway, which is now filled with soil. And then the last thing we have is definitely my favourite. It's the Wishmaster bust. He looks pretty amazing. He reminds me of a character from like World of Warcraft or something, which I have played, I'm not gonna lie. I used to be a Warcraft nerd. He's holding like a gem jewel thing in this hand up here, and he is definitely pretty cool. Really detailed, really well painted. I think probably my favourite, well, I got a bust from The Craft, which is my favourite because that's my favourite film, but like looks wise and how well done it is, I think this is the best one that I've got from them so far, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, that was everything that was in the May box for Fright Crate, which was the I Love 90s Part 2 box. I'll just quickly, even though you probably remember because there wasn't many things, I'll go over it again. We got the Wishmaster bust, the Hannibal head, the New Nightmare magnet, and then the koozie for drinks, the pin from the faculty, and the Candyman t-shirt. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. Anyway, if you did, please subscribe. I'll put all the details down below for Fright Crate. Usually it works out about just a little bit over £40 to the UK, which is quite a lot of money. But if you don't like any of the bits, then these sell for like a lot of money on eBay. So you make it back anyway, even if you don't like the things. But yeah, like I said, I hope you liked the video and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.